Hello and welcome to the review of the Red Dragon Kimura K552 RGB. The K552 RGB is a wired TKL mechanical keyboard, TKL meaning 10 keyless. I got it on eBay for just $70 Australian. It is a nice small keyboard which is good if you have limited desk space or you just want more room for your mouse. The keyboard is 13.94 inches by 4.86 inches, which is quite small. The keys themselves have a nice matte finish to them and are also double-shot ABS keycaps, which means unlike TBT keycaps, these keys will not fade away over time. The keyboard also comes with a keycap remover, which is a nice bonus. The switches are Otome Blue switches, which are Cherry MX Blue clones, which sound nice and clicky and also are tactical. Although since this keyboard does use these switches, it is probably not good or great to use in an office environment or when you are streaming with a microphone, as these switches are quite loud and any microphone would easily be able to pick up the sound. The frame of the keyboard is made from higher grade plastic, but the inner frame is made from a strong metal construction. On the underside of the keyboard, there are two adjustable rubberized feet, which can be used to extend the keyboard's height, and there are also two little rubber textured feet at the bottom to keep the keyboard from moving across the desk. The cable is very thick and rigid, and it feels very good quality to the touch. The USB connector is a gold-plated connector, which also feels very nice and rigid. The keyboard feels very solid, with no visible deck flex at all. Overall, the keyboard is made from good quality materials and is very sturdy. The K552 RGB has a software, and you can watch my other video here if you want to find out how to download it for your RGB K552. There are about 20 RGB effects, including the single key RGB customizer, which I will show now. With the single key RGB customizer, you can choose between all the different colors and apply them to any key, as shown here. Although there is a software, you can customize the effects on the keyboard itself, but some effects are only available through the software. The RGB effects are quite good and the lighting is also very bright. You can adjust the speed of the effect and the brightness of the effect through the software, which is nice. There are also media buttons that can be accessed through the keyboard through the function key, which I will show now. Pressing the function button and the F1 key opens Groove Music on Windows. Pressing F2 and F3 adjusts the volume, F4 mutes the volume, F5 is stop, F6 and F8 is skip, F7 is pause/play. There is also F9 which opens the email app, F10 which opens your internet browser to the home page, F11 which opens the calculator, and finally F12 opens the search bar on Windows. The buttons plus, minus, insert, home, page up, delete, and page down, up, arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and down arrow adjusts the RGB effects without the software. The keyboard also has a function where you can disable the Windows key by pressing the function and Windows key, which is a nice feature to have. Now it's time for the typing test. So overall, the K552 RGB is a surprisingly great keyboard for the price. It includes RGB and mechanical switches for only $70 Australian, which is fantastic, and I definitely recommend this keyboard if you are on a tight budget and you still want a mechanical keyboard. So thanks for watching this review of the Redragon Kimura K552 RGB. Make sure to watch my other video on how to download the software for the keyboard. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.